I've been trying to finish this Funko Pop Boba Fett collection of mine for some time now, and Angie has been an absolute beast in finding me some great deals on some of them. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the ones that we've gotten this week. We still have a lot that we haven't put in the display that I want them to be in, but we're pretty much there, I think. The only ones we're missing are a lot of really expensive grails that are just going to have to wait because they're just stupidly expensive. So let's get into it. Starting off this week, we got the number 8 Boba Fett white box variant. We do already have the black box number 8 version, which came out later on. But if you saw the last video, we had to boil him just so that we could get him off the platform so we could fit him into our baseball bat case, which is where I essentially want all of my Boba Fetts to go once they're out. But this one is so rare that I don't think that's going to happen. Pretty sure I'm just going to leave this one in the case. I don't want to have to go through that trouble, especially for one that's so expensive and rare. I don't even want to take him out of the box, to be honest with you. So he's probably going to go on top of my baseball bat cases, still on display, but out of harm's way. So that was an absolute banger to start off this week. Secondly, though, we did get one of my personal favorites that I've always wanted. Angie found a really good deal on this as well. She's been getting most of them on Mercari, and that is the Boba Gets His Bounty, number 280. Such a sick figure. The only problem with these ones that I already know is they're just not going to fit in my baseball bat cases. So I have this idea of the in-action scenes like this one, I'm going to put on top of my baseball bat cases, and I'm going to go ahead and put most of the boxes on top of the baseball bat cases somewhere else. I'll practice store them in my closet for the time being because I don't have anywhere else to put them. We're going to make some more shelves here sooner or later. But as for now, this one will go on top, and that's pretty much where I want all these to be, is on top. And I want to put these ones out of the box because they look so good. But with all the plastic and stuff, you can't really see what's even going on or any of the details. That's number 2 for this week. Absolute banger. And lastly, I don't even know if I'm going to be able to show you guys up here. But lastly, we got the whole Bounty Hunter collection, which is still pretty obtainable through GameStops. You can probably still find them. But Angie actually found me a great deal on these. I wasn't even going to collect this set in the first place, but it does have Boba Fett in it. And if you get the Boba Fett, the platforms all match up if you get the whole collection. So I thought, why not? They'll look good on top of my baseball bat cases. Unfortunately, we already tried to fit them in, and they are too tall with the platforms. So they'll just have to be out of the box on top of the baseball bat cases. I think they'll look good. Hey, bud. So with the Bounty Hunter collection, I'm just going to go ahead and go through them real quick. Starting off at the lowest number, 436. Of course, the one that we wanted. Firstly, the Boba Fett. These boxes are kind of huge. I don't know if I'm going to even display these. Also, Angie did get such a good deal on these. They were actually sold to us for below retail, which I was pretty happy about because we don't even plan on saving these boxes. So when we got these boxes, they're all pretty much all not perfect. There's a lot of dings and stuff on a lot of the boxes. So if I was really looking to collecting these in box, I would have been pretty sad. But this is going to go in my personal collection. They're going to go outside of the box on top of my baseball bat cases, and they're going to look sick. Honestly, since these boxes are so big and they'll probably just go inside of the closet. Anyways, who knows? I might even just throw them away because these figures aren't that rare, and these are going to go in the personal collection, and I plan on keeping these forever. Anyways, I'm just going to go through the rest of them really quickly. Secondly, another favorite of mine, Bosk IG-88. This is actually the one that we test fit inside the baseball bat case firstly because he looked the tallest, and sure enough, his head hits the ceiling of the baseball bat case. And since these platforms all kind of match up once you have the whole set together, I really don't plan on not having them all lined up off the platform. It would look really stupid. This guy, not too sure how to say his name. Forlom, I don't know. Pretty sick looking though, nonetheless. They'll all look so much better once I get them outside the boxes too. So waiting for that. Number 440, we got the Dengar part of the set. Pretty basic looking. We got Zuckuss. Pretty cool looking Funko. And lastly, this one kind of surprised me a little bit, but the last piece of this collection is actually Darth Vader, which personally I love in the collection. It's just kind of weird that he's part of the Bounty Hunter collection, but I guess it does make sense. And as you can see on the back, that is all of them. And they do have like these ridges in the backs of the platforms you can see, so where they all line up. Once I get them outside of the box and on top of my baseball bat cases, you guys will be able to see. Honestly, there's so much plastic protection, you really can't see like any details at all. So until you get them outside the box, you can't really judge, honestly. So we'll see. I'll get all these unboxed, except for the Boba Fett number 8 in the white box. He's going to stay in there. I'll get them all put up on top of the baseball bat cases. I might have to shuffle a few around just to see what can fit. But other than that, this is what we got to work with for the day. Let's get into it. All right, so next step is to get all of these boxes off. I don't want to leave them up there. I want to have nice stuff just on display out of the box so it looks all good. We're going to end up having to spread these guys out here, probably into this one, since the Bounty Hunter collection is all just a little too tall and they won't fit inside of the baseball bat case. So the plan is to put them all on top here. And then with the in-action Funko Pops, we're going to actually put all of them out of the box as well on top. I have a few more that I need to get out and put into here. And I think we're going to end up using the Cobb Vance. They are in the Boba Fett suit, so I guess it works. But the Mandalorians, I'm just not gonna, I can't do it. I can't do it. They just don't go well with it. So they're not gonna go in there. Let's get these guys off, get some space emptied up, get all of these ones unboxed as well, along with these guys. I think this Boba Fett will be able to fit, but this one I'm almost certain he's gonna be too tall, where he's like flying in his jets. So he'll probably go on top as well. We got the big Boba gets his bounty that's gonna go on top for sure, because that will not fit. And then we also have this one that I've been holding on to that is going to go on top as well. That's going to look, it's one of my favorites. It's going to look awesome. Then of course we have the whole Bounty Hunters collection that we're going to have to get out and unboxed. Once everything's set and done, it should look pretty sick. I'm excited. This is probably going to be one of like its final forms, unless we find like a really good deal on some of the grails of the Boba Fetts that we're missing. But this is going to be pretty much it. All right, let's go ahead and get these all unboxed. All right, we got these guys all unboxed. And we finally got the Bounty collection all unboxed. Man, look how they line up. That is so freaking cool. On top of the baseball bat case, this is gonna look so good. But we just have a couple more to unbox. Nala is here to help. We're gonna get these guys unboxed. Wish me luck. I'm so scared when it comes to unboxing like rare 6-inch Funko Pops. I might just wait for Angie to get here to do those because I trust her hands more than mine. I would say that was a mission successful. All of my boxes are still in like perfect shape and back in their protectors. So I must say I did a pretty decent job. I always like to open them from the bottoms too, just in case I do mess up, but looks like I did a pretty good job today. Got them all out of the boxes now, and they are ready to go into the baseball bat cases. Some of these look so much better than I even thought they were going to. This Bounty Hunter set, I must say, looks pretty damn awesome. I can't wait to see them up on top of the baseball bat cases, so let's go ahead and get them all put up. Wish me luck. I must say, it looks pretty damn good. So finally we got everything pretty much all set up. It's funny, you know, once I spread everything out, it looks like I have way less than I do. So I guess with time, just adding to the collection, it'll look even better and better the more I fill up these baseball bat cases. But, you know, let me know what you guys think of the spacing I have on them right now. The only way I'll be able to get them in a tighter spacing is if I just add more to the collection. I think throwing the Cobb Vance in was a good idea too. I mean, he's wearing his suit, so it looks perfect with the set. I got the Bounty Hunters collection on the top, and man, you know, all together they look pretty freaking cool. I love how they got Boba Fett in the middle of it too, so just makes the collection look that much better. And then we got the movie scenes set up on this one. I don't know, maybe I'll spread them apart a little bit. I really wanted to make sure that this one was displayed, but who knows, maybe I'll take him back off and just have the out of the box ones up there. It kind of looks out of place now, but man, this turned out awesome. And as we collect more, it'll just look better and better. So thank you guys for watching. You know, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Does it look good? Are there any other ones you would like to add? I do have the big boys still, but it's so hard to get them on stands because they're so big. Eventually, once I do have some more time, we will be extending this shelf across this, but we'll be making it deeper so that we can fit the bigger figures on there. And a lot of the bigger boxes that we have that we can't quite get up like these guys, but in the future, there's going to be a deeper shelf here and we'll be able to fit them up there and they'll look awesome on this side of the room. Or we could make just a couple platforms for them up here just so that they're still with all the other Boba Fett figures. Let me know what you guys think I should do. Should I also get some lighting? Would it look better? That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. This is just a weird random video, but hopefully you guys enjoyed. Have a good one. I almost totally forgot, but I've been flattening these for a very long time, and I meant to use these for this video too, but Angie made me some special, you can barely see it, but this is the Bounty Hunter emblem, and this is Boba Fett's signature emblem, but she made these for me on her Cricut machine, and they're gonna look so sick once I get them up on these baseball bat cases. I almost totally forgot about them, so let's go ahead and throw those on and see how much they change the look of it.
Really too big.
Dude, that's so good.